Josh Diamondbacks, Grimes with the White Sox, Steve Z Yankees, EC Vosky Reds, BP Pirates, Munchie with the Cubs, Wayford King Marlins, and TKO with the Phillies. Good luck. All right, jumbo jersey. Start off with a Christian Javier for Houston Astros, 43 out of 49. Triple jersey Eloy Jimenez for the White Sox, 63 of 99. Chicago. Nice prospect auto. Congrats, Detroit. Spencer Torkelson, prospect patch auto for the Tigers. Detroit. C. Frazier. Torkelson. Tigers on that one. Prospect patch auto. Clutch rookie jersey auto for the Royals, Edward Olivares. And patch auto clutch, 2 out of 5, Tanner Hook, Boston Red Sox. Shadow box, acetate, rookie auto, Alex Kirilloff, black foil, 4 out of 10 for the Minnesota Twins. Twins are Garber. Alex Kirilloff. All right. Box 2. Fill up that Bowman or contenders. We'll break it next. Jumbo jersey, Luis Garcia, 30 of 49 for Washington. Triple jersey, Sander, 61 of 99. Sander Bogarts, Boston. Check this guy. Takes White Sox in this next one. Yep. Rookie patch auto, Luis Gonzalez for the White Sox. Rookie patch auto, redemption. White Sox. Grimes. Triple window. Okay, I know what to do. All right, we'll do White Sox for 129 on Bowman. Triple window rookie patch auto, Will Crow for Washington, 2 out of 25. Triple window rookie patch auto. Nationals. Clutch rookie jersey auto, Clark Smith, Yankees, 44 out of 50. New York. And pretty nice patch on this one. Braves, Chris and Pache, rookie patch auto, 72 of 99. Atlanta Braves. Dan. Pretty nice patch. All right, box number 3. Bowman should be next, and we're still filling up contenders in the other 3 basketball breaks. Left on select here. Jumbo jersey. Shirton, 24 out of 49. Texas. 2-color patch of Vladimir Guerrero Jr. for the Blue Jays. That's nice. Toronto. And congrats, Angels. Shadow box rookie of Joe Adele. 70 of 99. Shadow box on card auto rookie. Joe Adele, Angels. Caden got the Angels and the Joe Adele. Clutch rookie jersey auto Jonathan Stever, White Sox. 17 out of 50. Brandon Rogers auto 88.99 Rockies. Colorado Rockies. And a rookie jersey auto premium jumbo window 3 of 25 Tariq Skubal for Detroit. Tigers with another hit. Premium jersey auto. Alright, last box of the break. I did put up more Immaculate for Sunday. All right, Bowman is officially sold out. Let's go. $15 left in the 6-box select NBA mixer. All right, jumbo jersey, Dane Dunning, Texas, 40 of 49. Dane Dunning. Jersey of Alex Bregman, 41 of 49, Houston. Redemption premium patch auto, Braylon Marquez for the Cubs. Still on there. Yep, Cubbies. Premium, so it's going to have the jumbo window. Clutch rookie jersey auto for Pittsburgh, Jared Oliva. 28 out of 50. Triple patch auto, 34-49, Minnesota with the Ryan Jeffers. Twins. And nice one to land on. Congrats, St. Louis, 81 of 99. Dylan Carlson, rookie patch auto. That's going to go to Cardinals and Joey M. All right, folks, that was the break. 4-box random teams number 2 of 2021 Panini Immaculate Baseball. Congrats to everybody that got a hit in that one. 4 more box random teams I put up for Sunday if you want to get into some more Immaculate this weekend. Coming up next is Bowman. Let me go get those 4 boxes of Bowman while putting away Immaculate. And then we're still filling up those 3 basketball breaks. Select Contenders Basketball, which I just discounted teams. Select 6-box random teams, which only has 15 left, halfway sold. And then the Spectra PYT, which I also just discounted teams. Spectra, pick your team. And then there's not much left in the 80-box NFL Boompalooza. Last I checked, there was only 4 spots left in the 80-box NFL tonight. Spot it on the Rangers. Only 10 teams left in Contenders Basketball. Just discounted. 10 teams left. Rangers. Randy got the Phillies, and R. Garber got the White Sox. All right, sweet. You don't need the timestamp. Yep. got here? Brooklyn gone from Spectra. Raptors gone from Spectra. Timberwolves gone from Spectra. Check out those teams remaining contenders, guys. Contenders basketball. That's breaking next. 6 box PYT. Pick your team. Contenders basketball.